Firstly, what is drag? Imagine walking against a strong wind. The resistance you feel from the wind is akin to the friction, or what we call in aviation, drag, and it intensifies with speed. You may have experienced friction or drag when rolling a ball on carpet compared to a smooth floor, showcasing the impact of surface friction. In simple terms, drag is the force that opposes an aircraft's forward motion through the air. It's like the resistance you feel when sticking your hand out of a moving car. But in aviation, it plays a pivotal role in the four forces of flight: lift, weight, thrust, and of course, drag.